Hi, I'm Justin with Countryside RV. Today we're going to be looking at a 2023 Cougar 29 RKS. You can see the decals have changed in the 2023. Got kind of a different color scheme going on. You can see we got some different logos, stuff like that. Then you got your docking lights up here, little light so you can hook up at night. You got the Hitch Vision mirror, and then we got the LCI Road Armor pin box. We got rubber bushings in there to help dampen when you're driving down the road. Up here in the front, we do have your two Dragonfly 100 amp hour lithium batteries that come standard. They have a heater on them, so they will charge below freezing. There's a switch inside you can see in a little bit. You got your battery disconnect box, and then you have your battery shunt. So this goes to your phone. It can tell you what your battery's doing any time of the day, how much load you're using, how much longer you have with your battery, because this unit does have Solarflex 400i. So when you get around, you can see the charger and the inverter and stuff like that. So you also have your spare tire and then some storage. We have a spot for your 30-pound LP tank. There's one on this side and on the other side. So then right here, you can see your solar setup I was talking about earlier. So you have a 100-volt, 30-amp charger right here, and then you have your 2,000-watt inverter, your solar panel disconnect, your inverter disconnect, and then you also have an AC inverter prep. So you can hook this up to your AC. You just need to add 2 more panels, a few more batteries, and then you can run your AC for an extended period of time. You also have your auto level switch right here. Just turn that on, push auto level, and it auto level itself. Then you got your huge pass through. And then right here you have your wet bay. This is where you hook up a winterized hose. You just flip this on and the pump will suck right through there. So suck your antifreeze through. You don't have to bypass the water heater because it has an on-demand water heater. So that's super nice and easy. Your city water hookup, your tank flush, and then this is your black tank pull valve, your gray tank pull valve, and then your dumps directly underneath. And then there's one more in the back for your kitchen because they are a long ways from each other. So we'll go back to that right now. And then back here underneath, you can see you have your other dump for the kitchen and your pull valve right next to it. And then you also have your fresh water drain right there. A little spot for your sewer hose to go because there is no bumper. And then right here is where you fill your fresh water tank. Your electrical hookup, got a roof access ladder. It is rear view camera prepped. And then you also have a storage hitch right there. It's good for about 300 pounds. Then you got some outside storage back here as well. And your outside shower right next to that. And then this is where your range hood vents out of the kitchen. You got a nice huge outside kitchen right here. Good sized fridge. Got some drink holders in the side. And then a capital grill. Runs on propane. You just run the LP quick connect down below and hook that up. Super simple. You just fold it up. And then it pushes right in. You also got some storage down here. Some up top. There's an outlet. A little light. Shut that up. It is also underneath the awning because the awning goes all the way across this slide out. So you're always covered under the awning. And then the other side of your front pass-through, you have your in-command BCM, just kind of the brain of the in-command system. You got a TV hookup, so you can set a TV inside here and then close it up at night. Nice and convenient. And then this is where your other 30-pound LP tank would go. So now we're going to take a look at the inside. If I can get that shut. This new grab handle that Keystone came out with. So you have a full length grab handle all the way down the steps, and then to put it up, you just push that, and you're done. So lots more sturdy, a lot better handle, so you can hold it all the way up. Then when you get inside, you have plenty of space. We have opposing slide outs. We have your entertainment slide that has your fireplace, 50-inch TV that does come with the unit. Storage beside, so you got room for movies, books, DVD player, anything. Down below as well. And then this is a rear kitchen unit. You can see we got tons of counter space, lots of storage, nice set of drawers. There's also some drawers on the other side. Your microwave, big deep cabinets back here, all the way to the back. Got a nice drawer down here for pots and pans. Another cabinet there. Then your 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. It even has an off-grid mode where it uses less power. So if you're running strictly on the solar, you can do that. A little bit of pantry space beside it. Super deep, all the way back. And we did the table and chairs dinette, so you got lots of room. You can move them around, do whatever you need to do. It does move back and forth as well. There's a little lever down here. And then you can kind of move it side to side. If you need some more space on this side or vice versa, you can slide it over. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You can get more space on that side. So super versatile. You have a dimmer switch on this slide out. So you can kind of change that, and there's a switch. You got pull down shades. Them up, super simple. Theater seating facing right towards the TV. We do have heat and massage, and there's also a light. Doesn't work because we're not plugged in, but we do have heat and massage, some cup holders, nice storage. Then this one is a tri-fold. Just kind of pull these off from the side, just like that. Yeah, nice full-size bed, very comfortable. A lot more space than a traditional jackknife. So you can even sleep 2 people on there if you wanted to. So I'll give you a little extra sleeping space on top of the queen-size bed in the front. And you also have storage above the couch, all the way across. And then when we're coming up here, you'll be able to see the in-command system. This runs the entire unit. You can also connect to it on your phone. So this is where you do your slides, your awning, lights, water pump, turn your tank heaters on, see your tank levels. But you can do it from your phone anywhere. And then you also have your battery heat switch. So if it is below 32 degrees, you do need to flip this on to make sure your batteries are still charging. It is on a thermostat, so it'll keep it between 32 degrees and 40 degrees. So in warmer climates, you can just leave it off. But if it is getting cold, you can just flip it on and leave it. And then this is your temperature sensor, and then your on-demand water heater switch. Then the bathroom, nice and spacious. We got storage underneath, got a little cabinet, some drawers, some extra counter space next to the sink, big medicine cabinet, very nice shower head. There's a seat inside the shower. And then you got glass doors that you can slide the whole thing to make it easier when you get in, and a skylight for extra headroom, and then a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then coming into the bedroom, you have a queen size bed, storage underneath. It goes clear up to the front cap, so plenty of space, blankets, pillows, whatever you need. And it is prepped for a second AC. You can see right here, it's just a vent right now, but if you did want to get a second AC, we could install that. Then you got storage above, on the sides, and you also have an outlet and USB. This unit does have the inverter already, so those outlets will work off battery power. And then you also have the USB that runs off battery power as well. Some big drawers, some hanging storage, so plenty of clothes storage, anything you need. They also have a light switch here, so you can turn on from the in command or right here. And then it also has its own temperature sensor for this AC if you did get it installed. And so that's pretty much it for the 29 RKS. We have vacuum bonded walls, vacuum bonded slide out boxes, insulated slide out boxes as well. It's kind of hard to see, but there is thermal foil underneath. It has a hyperdeck flooring, so there's actually no wood underneath of us. We have your I-beam frame, and then you have the thermal foil that I just showed you. And then it is a synthetic compound with foam, and then another set of synthetic compound, and then linoleum. And it's a super strong structure, super light. That's what makes it half-ton towable. It's 8,100 pounds unloaded, which is a little heavy, but some half-tons can pull it, so that's why it's considered half-ton towable. We got 5-inch wood truss framing in the top, attic vents to get the heat out, cold out, help with the temperature control. And then you also have your quiet, cool AC right here with a residential filter. So it is just as quiet as the Whisper Air ducted system, just kind of different design. Then you have your Blade Pure ducting system that pushes the air more evenly compared to the directional system. You can also control how much air comes out of those. So if you want to see this camper, it's at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. You can visit our website, csrvsales.com, or call us 515-674-4678.